Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to create a stape.io account. For server-side tracking, we need to create an account on a site. The name of the site is stape.io. This site provides servers. There are many more sites like this. Since we are free users, so we will use this site. You will give your Gmail here. Okay, I will give my Gmail. Then click on try for free. Then click on global. And you need to on these two options and click on sign up with email. You will set a password, then your account has been created in the stape.io. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we will see how to create CDM container and how to connect it with your server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.